In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the product category from the URL in WooCommerce. If you're looking to simplify your product URLs by stripping away unnecessary elements, this guide will walk you through the process one step at a time. Whether you want cleaner links for aesthetic reasons or a slight boost in your SEO, these steps will help you achieve that effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a series of menu items. You're looking for Settings, which, when clicked, will reveal a drop-down. In this drop-down menu, select Permalinks. Upon selecting Permalinks, you'll be directed to a new page. On this page, you might notice several different settings that control how your URLs are structured throughout your entire site. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll be scrolling down to locate the Product Category Base section. This is the area where WooCommerce defines what appears in the URL concerning product categories. When you locate the Product Category Base section, you'll see that there's a field there. This field might contain some text like product category, which is why it's showing up in your URLs. The field can also be blank or contain other default or custom values. What you're going to do here is clear the field entirely. Simply delete any text that's currently inside it. For an alternative method, instead of leaving it absolutely blank, you can opt to type just a single period, a dot, and leave it like that. Both of these actions essentially instruct WooCommerce not to use a product category in the URL. Once you've made your desired changes, whether leaving the field empty or inserting a period, it's critical to save your progress. Scroll to the bottom of the page, where you'll see a button labeled Save Changes. Click on that. This action will ensure that your new settings are processed and updated across your website. It's as simple as that. You should now find that your WooCommerce URLs no longer contain the product category segment, giving you a cleaner and possibly more SEO-friendly URL structure. Remember, while this process is straightforward, be sure to check your site's URLs to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Sometimes clearing your browser cache or doing a hard refresh can be necessary to see the changes take effect immediately. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you've managed to streamline your WooCommerce product URLs, making them far more user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and WooCommerce tips. Thanks for watching.